Example number 12, we have to find the value of n in this equation. Okay, so np5 is equal to 42 times np3, which is given to us. On applying the formula, this will be equal to n factorial upon n minus 5 factorial. This will be equal to 42 into np3 n factorial upon n minus 3 factorial. So this n factorial and n factorial cancels out. This will be equal to n minus 3 factorial is equal to 42 times n minus 5 factorial. N minus 3 factorial can be written as n minus 3 into n minus 4 into n minus 5 factorial, which is equal to 42 into n minus 5 factorial. Okay, these two cancels out. On multiplying, I'm going to get this as n square minus 7n plus 12 is equal to 42, which gives n square minus 7n plus 30 minus 30 is equal to 0. So on factorizing, I'm going to get n square minus 10n plus 3n minus 30 is equal to 0. On taking n common, n minus 10 plus 3 common, n minus 10 is equal to 0, or n plus 3 is equal to 0, or n minus 10 is equal to 0. So I obtain n is equal to minus 3, n is equal to 10. So n is equal to minus 3 is not possible. Negative number, n is always positive. So I obtain here n is equal to 10. This is my required answer for the first part. For the second part, we have been given np4 upon n minus 1 p4 as equal to 5 upon 3. Okay, now we are going to apply the formula of n factorial of npr. So we are going to obtain n factorial upon n minus 4 factorial, and this will be equal to n minus 1 factorial upon n minus 1 minus 4, that is n minus 5 factorial, and this is equal to 5 upon 3. Okay, this will be equal to n factorial upon n minus 4 factorial into n minus 5 factorial upon n minus 1 factorial is equal to 5 upon 3. Okay, this cancels out and give me n. This cancel out is going to give me n minus 4 with n minus 5 factorial. So I am going to get 3n is equal to 5n minus 20, or I am going to get minus 2n is equal to minus 10, okay, or n minus 2n is equal to minus 20, or n is equal to 10. So this is my required answer. Okay. In example 13, we have to find r if 5 times 4pr is equal to 6 times 5pr minus 1. Okay, so this will be equal to 5 into 4pr is equal to 6 times 5pr minus 1. Okay, now applying the formula, this will be equal to 4 factorial upon 4 minus r factorial, and 6 times 5 factorial upon 5 minus r minus 1 factorial. This will be equal to 6 minus r factorial. Okay, so 5 into 4 factorial is 5 factorial, so this cancels out, and I'm going to obtain 1 upon 4 minus r factorial is equal to 6 upon 6 minus r factorial. Now from these terms, 4 minus r factorial and 6 minus r factorial, I find that 6 minus r factorial is a bigger term from both of them. So this can be written as 6 minus r into 5 minus r into 4 minus r factorial. Okay. So this will be equal to 1 upon 4 minus r factorial 6 upon 6 minus r into 5 minus r into 4 minus r factorial. So this cancels out, and on cross multiplication I get 6 minus r into 5 minus r is equal to 6. On multiplying I am going to get r square minus 11r plus 30 is equal to 6. So this gives me r square minus 11r plus 24 is equal to 0. This 6 is going to come here, and I am going to obtain this. Oh, this is equal to 6, sorry. So this 6 is going to come here, and I am going to obtain 24. On factorization, this will be equal to 8r minus 3r plus 24 is equal to 0. On taking r common, I am going to get r minus 8 minus 3, r minus 8 is equal to 0. So this gives me r minus 3 or r minus 8 is equal to 0. R is equal to 3 or 8. Okay. Now coming back to the question. So here r can be equal to 3, r can be equal to 8. Now r cannot be equal to 8 because it doesn't satisfy this equation, because we get 4p8 is equal to 6 times 5p8 minus 1, that will be 7. So this condition, so this equation is not valid, because to give a justification, just for justification, 4p8 means what? This means the selection of 8 objects out of the given 4 objects, which is never possible. So in this case the required answer is r is equal to 3. Okay.